This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake. Place chocks each side of the rear wheels. Position the jack head under the rear of the front subframe, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the chassis member. Undo the 2 retaining bolts at the front, 2 bolts or a bolt and nut each side, and 2 bolts at the rear, securing the undertray to the underbody and subframe. Suitably support the undertray and release the front locking hook. Lower the front of the undertray, disengage the rear brackets from the subframe, and remove the undertray from under the vehicle. Maneuver the undertray into position. Locate the rear brackets in the subframe and engage the hook at the front. Refit the various fasteners around the edge of the undertray and tighten them securely. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.